This lake is beautiful, guys. I mean, I could spend weeks here, but well, it's a beautiful view and the water's nice, but it's very windy, and the only thing missing to me is we can't ride the RZR here.
That's true. That would make it better.
Plus there's no amenities here at all. There's no water, there's no trash. Is there? No, there's trash.
Yeah, there's trash.
And that's it. And there's bathrooms, but just Volt. And we have our own.
Thank God we don't have to worry about that.
It's been so windy. We planned on having a fire, but
Did you keep our wood?
No, it was so dried out, it would have burned up in a few minutes. But we had a bundle of wood that we picked up before we got back to St. Joe that we've been hauling around the trailer. Same thing happened there. We went and bought the firewood, and I think it ended up raining that night that we bought the wood where we had a pit to burn it. And this is the first time we've had a fire pit since, and it's been, what, maybe 2 or 3 months we've been hauling around this wood. So
we decided to play with the RC cars. I forget about them half the time, but every time he actually gets them out, I always have fun. Don't go around and waste my time. A generation of my time. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through. Don't go around and waste my So we're leaving the lake.
yeah, it's time to go. All good things must come to an end.
Yep, we enjoyed a few days though.
But we're gonna check something out on the way out of here that we seen on the way in that looked pretty neat. And Candace Googled it to see what they was.
And I've never seen these like outside of a zoo or anything, so it was kind of cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Alright guys, we are leaving the lake. This was a good one. I'm gonna miss this place. But it's time to move on. There's others just as good. It was very nice. There's a lot of people out here skiing and fishing and jet skis and tubing. We're heading north. Where we stop, nobody knows. Check it out guys, we pulled over on our way out of here because this entire field out here is covered in prairie dog, I guess houses, I'm not sure what you call them. They're even over here, both sides of the road. There's a big one down here. There's one there. They crawl all the way underneath the road. They're very smart. They don't get run over, huh?
Yeah.
I haven't seen a dead one all the way down this road, here or back. But these mounds are they're everywhere. They probably come out very early or at sunset. I don't know, it's pretty hot. That's one right there, isn't it? Sitting there?
I don't know, I can't see it.
Might be a piece of dirt. It's weird though. They're pretty good size. That's a good size hole. We seen a couple on our way here. We seen a few of them out playing and stuff, and like just sitting on the top of their mounds. we wasn't positive what they was, but I had a feeling they was some kind of prairie dog or something. We are out in the prairies.
Yeah, prairie dog is what I looked
Candace
it up.
looked it up.
Said it was, but I seen them even driving down here, and then as soon as we stop, I don't see anything.
Yeah, I think they're hiding. All right, let's go. It's hot. We tried. That was pretty cool, though. We did end up seeing some once we started driving down the road. You can see them like out sitting on the top of their little mound, just kind of looking around. But if you get anywhere close, they all like...
They are really fast.
Yeah, they duck down in that hole really quick. They don't mess around. But it was pretty cool.
Yeah, they're really cute.
Yep.
There's a couple different kinds of prairie dog. I'm not exactly sure which ones we see.
Yeah, I don't know.
But they're cute little critters.
Yeah, whatever they are. Some kind of ground rat. So yeah, I don't know if the next place will be as good, but I know one thing for sure, it will be free.
And it will be fun. We'll make it fun.
Yeah, we'll make it fun. There's something to do in every town. I mean, even if there's not much, there's something. And you know, we have the bike. We can just cruise around and check out stuff in different towns. Look at the architecture on the houses, the scenery.
I love looking at houses.
Yeah, we can always find something to do. If not, you know, there's days where we just need to get things done around the house, just like you need to get done around your house. We have the same stuff. You know, we have to clean, I have to work on it because it's our vehicle and it's our house. So I've got maintenance on the chassis and engine of the RV. We've got maintenance on the inside of the house, and
brakes are always fun.
Yeah, the brakes like to squeak every now and then, and we figure it out. I'm not sure yet where we're going. I know we're still heading north. We will be in Nebraska soon. Yeah, we'll be in Nebraska on the next video. We'll be leaving Colorado. And from there, we're just going to keep heading north, looking for nice places to camp, cool stuff to see, and
maybe get Jason some work.
Yeah, we are looking for me some work, but we're trying to get up where it's a little bit cooler.
Make sure you hit that like button and send us a comment. Let us know what you thought about it.
Subscribe if you haven't. Check us out on social media. Candace will talk to you on Facebook. or the Tweeter.
Or Instagram.
Instagram.
It's Camping with the Kellys.
It's Camping with the Kellys. On Twitter, it's at Kelly's RV Travels. We will see you guys in a couple days.
Thanks for watching.
I felt like I was really close to the camera.
Come on. They're fun. I like to jump stuff.
They're fun.
Shut up. It keeps sitting back.
Damn it. I'm so used to it.
I'm comfortable. I like having good posture.
Yeah, good posture. Hold on, move out of the way for a minute.
No!
Give me the square. Okay, let's
Camera knows who the star is.
Yeah.
Annabelle. Quite a few days though.
2 days.
A couple.
3 days, 2 nights. We stayed 2 nights.
Whatever, yeah.
It's not whatever. We stayed 2 nights. I slept at the lake 2 nights.
Okay.